Hello viewers, are you facing it's time to close Instagram error problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Instagram apps and then long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info, click on I button or app info. Scroll down, go to storage option, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. Update your Instagram apps in latest version. I have already updated my Instagram apps. And then go back to home screen, restart your device, press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Instagram and see problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.